The legend is back, and it's bigger, bolder, and more unstoppable than ever. This is the 2026 Gravedigger 40, celebrating for decades of pure monster truck dominance. From its roots in the mud pits of the early 80s to becoming the most recognized and feared monster truck in the world, Gravedigger has built a legacy on raw power, fearless stunts, and an unmistakable attitude. And now, the 40th anniversary edition takes that heritage and supercharges it for a new era. The first thing you notice is the look, because Gravedigger has always been about making a statement before it even touches the throttle. The classic black hand green livery is here, but in 2026, it's been reimagined with metallic ghost flames, high-definition skull graphics, and 3D embossed anniversary badging along the sides. Under the arena lights, it glows like something from another world. Every detail screams power, okay? And every angle demands your attention. But the real magic of Gravedigger has always been what happens when the tires hit the dirt. And make no mistake, those tires are monsters in their own right. Custom 66 Shinch BKT behemoths, designed to claw through dirt, mud, and crushed cars like they're nothing. They're wrapped around lightweight forged wheels to handle the brutal impacts. This truck dishes out and survives every single show. Under the hood is a supercharged 540 cubic inch big block V8, pumping out a staggering 1,500 horsepower. That's right, 1,500 horses channeled through a 2-speed planetary transmission, built to take the abuse of 10,000-pound landings. It's the kind of power that can launch this truck over a school bus line, clear a triple stack of cars, and still have more to give on the next run. The throttle response is instant, the roar is deafening, and when the flames shoot out of those exhaust pipes, you can feel the heat from the stands. Inside, the driver's office is all business. The Gravedigger 40 features an updated custom chassis with reinforced tubular steel, racing bucket seating, and a full harness system for safety. Digital telemetry feeds the driver real-time engine stats, suspension travel, and tire pressure. Because at this level, precision is just as important as brute force. Speaking of suspension, the 2026 model gets an advanced nitrogen-charged coilover setup with nearly 30 inches of travel, soaking up the earth-shattering impacts and letting Gravedigger stick the landing after the kind of airtime that makes jaws drop. And while this truck is built for the chaos of the Monster Jam arena, it's also a rolling tribute to the fans who made it legendary. From the autograph plates on the chassis rails to the limited-run commemorative gear included with the trucks. Anniversary shows. Gravedigger 40 is a celebration of 4 decades of thrills, crashes, and victories. The Gravedigger name is more than just a paint job, it's a promise. A promise that every time this truck fires up, you're going to see something you'll never forget. The 2026 Gravedigger 40 doesn't just honor the past, it redefines what's possible in the future of monster truck competition. This isn't just a monster truck. This is an icon, evolved. And when the lights go down and the engine fires up, there's only one thought that comes to mind: Gravedigger is here, and the legend lives on.